So, welcome to Divinity School Village here in Silliman University, Dumaguete City. So, this is where I live. So, these are the cottages. So, there are so many trees. So, you need to sweep every day. So, this is on the right. So, on the right, there are 4 cottages. So, that's the gate. And here, another cottage. Oh my gosh. And then here is my cottage. This is cottage 2A. That's my bike and my professor's bike. And here is the house of my professor. And there another cottage. And behind there is also another one for the pastor's kid. In the middle there is community center. And then another one. So you will see there are so much leaves to sweep every day. So let's go inside. So here is the sala. Walang ilaw. And this is my table. And another table here. And that's the sink. And this is where I put my things. Toilet. And then there is a dirty kitchen there. And then let's go up the stairs. This house is already old since 1970s. So this is the first room. One of my roommate, she graduated already. So it's empty. And this is my room, which is magulo. So we are paying here 1,500 and that's my cabinet. So this is where I sleep. And my guitar, my violin. Then we will go down to I will show you the back side. So this is I already clean up so I can plant new plants. I started my extension for my garden. So here, my tomatoes, the okra, yes. Hello. Ako nang vlog. So I'll be growing there cucumber and new plants, ampalaya. So that's my garden. It's already empty because I removed all the old ones. I have to plant new ones. I have seedlings, new seedlings. This is the area where I have to sweep all the leaves today. And this is it. This is the atmosphere of the village. There are so many trees.